Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at and talking about the cost of an apartment about 30 minutes outside of Baltimore. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Now this apartment is on the second floor and it's 2 bedrooms. It's going for around $11.50 a month. Now this kitchen, if I stick out my arm straight out to my side, I could touch both walls at the same time. So it's a real small kitchen. Now the bathroom, I have to admit, I'm kind of impressed with. It does have a nice tile job on the walls, and it is a pretty decent size, and it's a full-size bathtub and shower. Now over here you got 1 bedroom. This is the smaller one. This is Samantha's bedroom. As you can see, this is also a pretty good size. Samantha decided to hide underneath the covers for the video. Now right over here is the second bedroom. It's about the same size as the first. It's actually a pretty decent size. They have a decent sized closet. Step out here in the hallway again. As you can see, the living room is a decent size. It's just kind of laid off, kind of weird. And it does have a dining area. And there's Blue Dog right there if you can't see him. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed this short video. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.